TCS Wings 1 November 2024 cycle latest updates. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So friends, registrations are now open for the Wings 1 November 2024 assessment. As you gear up for the November 2024 cycle, please ensure that you register for the track-wise proctored assessment based on your learning progress in your respective track. Here are a few things to keep in mind before you register. So in this video, we are talking about registering for the Wings 1 November 2024 cycle. So choose your tracks carefully, keeping in mind the registration guidelines. Associates, that means candidates are eligible to appear for only 2 tracks plus articulation track in any given cycle. According to your certification enrollment, you must select only T7 for IT 15205 and T9 for ITIS 15206. So this means if you belong to IT, then you need to select T7, and if you belong to ITIS, then you need to select 15206 course. Securing minimum pass score in articulation is mandatory. So as we have discussed many times, so minimum score pass percentage 50%. In the number of MCQs are 40, you need to get 20 marks you need to get, and percentage is 50% you need to get in order to clear pass percentage. To qualify for digital high talent rewards, completion of domain learning is mandatory to qualify for digital or innovator milestone rewards. So if you belong to any domain, BFSI, airline, healthcare, life science, so any domain, you need to complete your domain learning in that 15205 in the domain section in order to get digital or innovator milestone rewards. It's time to make CTC 100% up. So if you are Ninja or Digital, you need to get your CTC up to 100% up. So registration closure date is 5th October 2024 up to 11:59 PM IST. So eligibility for the proctored assessment will be based on satisfaction of the criteria below. So again, they will see 2 things. One is work performance and another one is IUL learning completion. So appraisal band A or B or anniversary rating 4 or 5 only for associates who are yet to receive performance band. Note, for freshers or trainees who do not have appraisal band or anniversary rating, only IUL learning prerequisite will be considered. Work performance will not be considered. So if you are fresher or recently joined in TCS, then you have good news. They did not measure you based on your work performance. They only measure you by using IUL course completion. So IUL learning completion, complete your IUL learning for the tracks you wish to appear before the cutoff date. The learning cutoff date for November 2024 cycle. So important dates everyone must remember. The learning cutoff date for November 2024 cycle. If you are currently learning a track which is not a part of the BG business group or unit specific track list, 10 September 2024. If the track you wish to take is part of the BG or unit specific track list, so then your last date is 5th October 2024. So check your BG if you have any. So I will tell you how to check your BG or unit in this video only. So stay tuned. So don't forget these things. What are the things? If the tech track you wish to take is not a part of the BG or unit recommended list, the cutoff date is 10 September 2024. Hurry up and complete your learning. Only 5 more days to go. 5, not 5. Only up to for today 2 days only. So if the tech track you wish to take is a part of the BG business group or unit recommended list, the cutoff date is, feel free, 5th October 2024. For non-tech tracks, which is basically process and etc., the learning cutoff date is 5th October 2024. Domain learning and external certification cutoff date is 30th November 2024. So who are preparing for domain learning and planning to do external certification, you need to get it approved by 30th November 2024. So Wings 1 November 2024. Now I am showing you how to fill the survey form. So in the description I will give you link. So go to sign in your Ultimatics and you will see this link. I will provide you this link in the description page. So after clicking on this link, you will be here. Wings 1 November 2024 ITIS Assessment Survey Form 1. I am aware that HR actions ranging from termination of service or debarring from Wings 1 or issuance of warning letter will be carried out for associates indulging in malpractice during the Elevate proctored assessments. I hereby confirm that I will take the Wings 1 assessment in a fair manner by abiding by the instructions, and that I will not involve myself in any kind of malpractice. So you should have to click on agree on this. So second one, do you wish to appear for the articulation track? Please note that pass, which means 50% or 20 marks out of 40 is required, and or distinction 28 out of 40, 70% out of 100% in articulation is prerequisite to achieve digital mandatory. So if you want to achieve digital, so pass is mandatory. If you want to innovator, then distinction is required. You have to click yes. If you are not cleared articulation minimum pass, if you are cleared minimum pass, then you need to click here. I have already cleared articulation track with pass or distinction. So if you are cleared articulation with pass or distinction, you need to click. As of now, most of the associates are not cleared, so I am clicking on yes. Registration for any one of the below track. In this track, you need to select your track according to your learning. So in the code tech T1 track, building modern web apps at scale, here man and cloud services are used. So again they have given T1. So T2, working with modern data repositories and cloud AWS, and another one is cloud Azure and cloud to Google. So according to you, you can select either AWS, Azure or Google. So T3 is machine first and intelligent business automation. T4 is again you have two options, one is Spring Boot and Django. So choose according to your learning expertise. T5 is extreme automation, leveraging the best of cloud. So T7 is cyber security, securing the enterprise and consumer. T9 digital infrastructure. T12 test automation. T13 data engineering and data visualization. T14 is mainframe. T15 is cloud analytics and AI. So next one is register for any one from the below track 2. Please do not register for the same track as in the previous one. If you have chosen T4, this time they haven't allowed us to choose again that track. So you need to select other tracks according to learning expertise. So here they have included non-tech tracks, which is business skill 1, 2 and process. So you have to select according to your learning and your eligibility. So if you have cleared the business skill 2, you are learning, then you need to choose this, or process or business skill according to that. Now the next question is, please select the track for which you wish to take innovator coding assessment for. Please note that the prerequisite to take up this challenge should be met. Prerequisite pass or distinction in that core full stack track in previous cycle. So in your previous cycle you have passed or got distinction in core full stack, then you need to give innovator coding assessment. So if you are cleared, if you get pass in previous cycle, then you are also eligible. So you need to choose this. If not, you have to remove this. So you need to remember one thing here. If you cleared the learning in articulation, then only they will provide you assessment. If for example I have chosen process but I haven't cleared the learning in this, I mean prerequisite does not matter, so they won't provide you the Ion Center assessment. So make sure you have to clear before the deadlines, that means October 5 for non-tech tracks, and then finally you need to click on submit. For example, I have selected these things. If you selected by mistake wrongly, then you need to click on edit your browser, and again you get chance to fill. So here the changes are made. So previously I have selected a process, now I have selected a business skill 2. So this is the format to fill Wings 1 November 2024 assessment survey form. This survey form is most essential. You need to fill this survey form before October 5 in order to give main Ion Center exams. So now I will show you one thing. So if you don't know your unit or BG what the tracks are have, so you need to go here 15205 and then click on this here, first one Wings 1 Code Technology BG on specific track list. So click on launch here. I have already completed 100%. So in that launch course, and in that course they will provide you list of Excel sheet files. So here SharePoint link they will provide you, and if you have any queries in Wings 1, you need to connect with Unity box. Now if you have still any doubts or you are struggling with some queries, then you have to chance to connect with me. I have given you one link, this link in our description page. So come here link. So if you have any Elevate Wings 1 related doubts or queries, you can book a session and connect with me. Affordable prices only 65 rupees, or if you want 3 months guidance, then I am charging you 6,000. I will provide you 3 months up to materials and learning, how to learn, how to crack, everything is provided. So 1 month 2,099 and for 6 months 10,000. So career guidance, if you have any career guidance related, then you have to click for Wings 1, you need to click this. So if you want to connect with me 1:1, If you want mentorship for one session 60 minutes, then you need to pay this amount and connect with me. Totally 8 bookings are there. So I have one rating I got. So loved the session. So this is all about myself. So come here this page and book your appointment here. So this is all about TCS Wings 1 November 2024 latest updates. If you like our video, then hit a like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon, turn on. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.